White people be like, black people be like,
This is a certified hood classic.
This spoon is abnormally large.